Hi, in this tutorial I am going to show you how can you create a subdomain from your cPanel account. So at first log into your cPanel account. Let me go to HostCreed client area and then to the cPanel. Okay, so after login into cPanel, scroll down. Under the domain section, click on domains. And here you can see all your domains here. So click on create new domain. And here enter your subdomain name in this box. For example, my main domain is cyberit.cloud. So I will copy it and paste it, and then I will add a subdomain name. For example, app.cyberit.cloud, and then you will see something like this. Click on submit, and here is your subdomain is ready. If you visit it, it can't reach this page. This is because I am using Cloudflare with my domain, so I need to manually point my IP address to the app URL. So how to do that? At first, log into your Cloudflare dashboard. But you don't need to enter anything in Cloudflare if you are using HostCreed's default name server. I am using Cloudflare, so I need to update manually from Cloudflare. So I am at the Cloudflare, and this is my domain. I need to go to DNS, and then I need to create a new A record. Just click on add record, select record type A, and name. In the name field, I need to enter this name app, APP app, and the IP address is this. And you can turn on or off this proxy, whatever you want. Then click on save. This is only for if you are using Cloudflare, not for regular user. If you are using HostCreed's default name server, you need to do nothing. You just need to create a subdomain, and the domain will be get live. So I have created the record to the Cloudflare because I'm using it, and let me refresh the page. So it's still not reachable. It will be live within some minute. Let's wait. Okay, now I will refresh my domains page, and here you can see my subdomain is live. So this is how you can add a or create a subdomain in cPanel account.